初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I have a ticket for the concert.
I have a ticket for the concert.
我有一张音乐会的门票。
I have a ticket for the concert.
I have a ticket for the concert.
Where is the entrance?
Where is the entrance?
入口在哪里？
Where is the entrance?
Where is the entrance?
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
什么时候开始？
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
The music is very loud.
The music is very loud.
音乐声很大。
The music is very loud.
The music is very loud.
I like this song.
I like this song.
我喜欢这首歌。
I like this song.
I like this song.
The singer is amazing.
The singer is amazing.
歌手很棒。
The singer is amazing.
The singer is amazing.
Let's sing together.
Let's sing together.
我们一起唱歌吧。
Let's sing together.
Let's sing together.
Let's dance together.
Let's dance together.
我们一起跳舞吧。
Let's dance together.
Let's dance together.
Please don't push.
Please don't push.
请不要推挤。
Please don't push.
Please don't push.
The concert is so exciting.
The concert is so exciting.
音乐会太令人兴奋了。
The concert is so exciting.
The concert is so exciting.
Let's go to the art museum.
Let's go to the art museum.
我们去艺术博物馆吧。
Let's go to the art museum.
Let's go to the art museum.
Where is the ticket office?
Where is the ticket office?
售票处在哪里？
Where is the ticket office?
Where is the ticket office?
Where is the main hall?
Where is the main hall?
主厅在哪里？
Where is the main hall?
Where is the main hall?
This painting is beautiful.
This painting is beautiful.
这幅画很美。
This painting is beautiful.
This painting is beautiful.
This sculpture is very old.
This sculpture is very old.
这个雕塑很古老。
This sculpture is very old.
This sculpture is very old.
Can I take a photo?
Can I take a photo?
我可以拍照吗？
Can I take a photo?
Can I take a photo?
Photos are not allowed here.
Photos are not allowed here.
这里不允许拍照。
Photos are not allowed here.
Photos are not allowed here.
Please don't touch the artwork.
Please don't touch the artwork.
请不要触碰艺术品。
Please don't touch the artwork.
Please don't touch the artwork.
The guide is very helpful.
The guide is very helpful.
导游非常有用。
The guide is very helpful.
The guide is very helpful.
I learned a lot today.
I learned a lot today.
我今天学到了很多。
I learned a lot today.
I learned a lot today.
Let's go to the amusement park.
Let's go to the amusement park.
我们去游乐园吧。
Let's go to the amusement park.
Let's go to the amusement park.
I want to ride the roller coaster.
I want to ride the roller coaster.
我想坐过山车。
I want to ride the roller coaster.
I want to ride the roller coaster.
I want to try the Ferris wheel.
I want to try the Ferris wheel.
我想试试摩天轮。
I want to try the Ferris wheel.
I want to try the Ferris wheel.
Let's buy some popcorn.
Let's buy some popcorn.
我们买些爆米花吧。
Let's buy some popcorn.
Let's buy some popcorn.
Let's take some photos.
Let's take some photos.
我们拍些照片吧。
Let's take some photos.
Let's take some photos.
Please wait in line.
Please wait in line.
请排队等候。
Please wait in line.
Please wait in line.
The ride is very fast.
The ride is very fast.
这个游乐设施很快。
The ride is very fast.
The ride is very fast.
The ride is very fun.
The ride is very fun.
这个游乐设施很有趣。
The ride is very fun.
The ride is very fun.
I am a little scared.
I am a little scared.
我有点害怕。
I am a little scared.
I am a little scared.
Let's play another game.
Let's play another game.
我们玩另一个游戏吧。
Let's play another game.
Let's play another game.
Let's play basketball.
Let's play basketball.
我们打篮球吧。
Let's play basketball.
Let's play basketball.
Let's play soccer.
Let's play soccer.
我们踢足球吧。
Let's play soccer.
Let's play soccer.
Do you want to play tennis?
Do you want to play tennis?
你想打网球吗？
Do you want to play tennis?
Do you want to play tennis?
Do you want to swim?
Do you want to swim?
你想游泳吗？
Do you want to swim?
Do you want to swim?
Let's go jogging.
Let's go jogging.
我们去慢跑吧。
Let's go jogging.
Let's go jogging.
Let's stretch first.
Let's stretch first.
我们先拉伸一下。
Let's stretch first.
Let's stretch first.
Don't run too fast.
Don't run too fast.
别跑太快。
Don't run too fast.
Don't run too fast.
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
你做得很好。
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
I feel tired now.
I feel tired now.
我现在感觉累了。
I feel tired now.
I feel tired now.
Let's rest for a while.
Let's rest for a while.
我们休息一会儿吧。
Let's rest for a while.
Let's rest for a while.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发， 订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。